Imagine stepping into a time machine and being transported back to the heart of medieval England. That's exactly what the newly renovated Norwich Castle offers, and it's an experience you won't want to miss. After a staggering $37 million facelift, this 12th century fortress, originally commissioned by William the Conqueror, is ready to reveal its secrets. But here's where it gets controversial. Some might argue that such a massive renovation could alter the castle's historical integrity. However, the team behind the project has ensured that every detail respects the castle's rich past while enhancing the visitor experience. A grand reopening for a medieval marvel. On August 17th, 2025, Norwich Castle, a cornerstone of East Anglia's history, reopened its gates to the public. This monumental structure, which has stood proudly for over 900 years, has undergone a transformative renovation that has restored its former glory. For the first time ever, visitors can explore all 5 floors of the castle's keep, each meticulously restored to showcase the castle's storied past. This isn't just a new tour, it's a journey into the heart of England's medieval era, where you can uncover the vibrant stories hidden within its ancient walls. A symbol of Norman power, built in the aftermath of the Norman conquest, Norwich Castle was one of the earliest castles constructed to assert Norman dominance over the newly conquered lands. Constructed from cane limestone imported from Normandy, the castle's imposing presence is a testament to the power and influence of the Norman dynasty. Originally designed for both defense and symbolism, the castle served as a visible reminder of Norman authority. The recent renovation has not only preserved the castle's structural integrity, but has also integrated modern elements to enhance the visitor experience. The castle's massive walls, which have withstood the test of time, now house an interactive museum that brings the past to life through cutting-edge exhibits. Bridging the past and present, one of the most exciting aspects of the renovation is the creation of a medieval gallery, the first of its kind outside of London. This new exhibition space is home to over 900 Norman artifacts on loan from the British Museum, providing a rare opportunity to see these treasures outside the UK capital. The gallery features a wide array of items, including medieval weapons, intricate jewellery, pottery and tools, offering a glimpse into the daily lives of the Normans. As visitors explore the gallery, they can gain a deeper understanding of the significant role Norwich Castle played during the Norman period, and how it shaped the architecture, culture and society of East Anglia. Interactive experiences for all ages. Beyond the medieval gallery, Norwich Castle boasts a range of interactive exhibits designed to engage visitors of all ages. Immersive projections in the Great Hall transport visitors back to the days of the Normans, bringing the castle's history to life in a captivating way. These projections highlight key moments from the castle's past, offering a vivid and engaging look at its strategic importance during the medieval period. The new exhibits are tailored to be family-friendly, making Norwich Castle an ideal destination for history enthusiasts and casual visitors alike. East Anglia's growing tourism appeal. Norwich Castle is more than just a historical landmark. It's a key player in East Anglia's growing reputation as a must-see travel destination. Recognised by Lonely Planet as one of the top places to visit in 2025. East Anglia is home to a plethora of historical and cultural attractions. Norwich, with its charming medieval streets and stunning architecture, serves as the perfect base for exploring the region. The castle's reopening adds to East Anglia's allure, offering a blend of history, culture and natural beauty. Nearby attractions like Norwich Cathedral, the Sainsbury Centre for Visual Arts and the picturesque Norfolk Broads provide additional reasons to visit. A family-friendly historical adventure. The reopening of Norwich Castle is a significant milestone for both the city and the broader East Anglia region. With its new interactive exhibits and medieval charm, the castle offers a unique and enjoyable way to learn about the past. The immersive projections and the medieval gallery, filled with priceless artifacts, make it a must-visit for history buffs, families, and anyone interested in England's rich heritage. The restored castle is poised to become a cultural hub in Norwich, with a variety of exhibits and activities planned for the future. Whether you're exploring the castle's medieval past, admiring the Norman artifacts, or enjoying the views from the castle's ramparts, there's something for everyone. Preserving cultural heritage for future generations. The reopening of Norwich Castle is not just a celebration of its history, but a reminder of the importance of preserving cultural heritage for future generations. The $37 million renovation ensures that the castle will remain a prominent historical and cultural landmark for years to come. By combining modern restoration techniques with traditional preservation methods, Norwich Castle sets a high standard for how historic sites can be revitalised while maintaining their authenticity. As visitors explore the castle, they are reminded of the crucial role that historical tourism plays in supporting local economies and fostering cultural understanding. Chapter Final Thoughts. Discovering Norwich Castle's rich history. The reopening of Norwich Castle marks a significant chapter in the city's long and colourful history. Thanks to the newly restored medieval gallery, hands-on exhibits, and high-tech interactive displays, the castle now offers an unparalleled experience that brings Norwich's medieval past to life. If you're fascinated by Norman history, this castle is the place to be this season. Planning a trip to immerse yourself in the history of England while enjoying the scenic beauty of East Anglia, Norwich Castle delivers on both fronts. From admiring the impressive stonework to learning from engaging and educational displays, there's no better time to add Norwich Castle to your itinerary. So don't wait. Whether you live nearby or are just visiting the UK, a visit to Norwich Castle is a must. What do you think about the massive renovation of Norwich Castle? Does it preserve the site's historical integrity, or do you believe it risks altering its authenticity? Share your thoughts in the comments below.